Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for June and I've got Latest in Beauty. This is what it looks like. Give you a quick sneak peek. So if you're new to the subscription and you want to learn a little bit more about it, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I chose, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I will put all links to this subscription and the limited edition boxes down below in my description, and also I have a refer a friend code. It's been the same link for years and I can't remember how much you get off. It could be free shipping or it could be £5. I'm not sure, but if you do use my code, please let me know in the comments how much you get, because I keep forgetting what it is now. You'll find all links down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Latest in Beauty is a UK only monthly beauty subscription with a bit of a difference, because you get to choose the products that go inside the box. You get to choose 6 products a month out of a monthly edit that is updated on the 1st of the month onwards. Plus you've got a chance to pick up a couple of products that have been in previous months' edits. The cost of the box is £12.95 and £3.95 shipping, but if you were to subscribe for 3 months or more, you then become a VIP. The shipping gets dropped, so you only pay £12.95 a month and you are automatically entitled to 15% off any of the limited edition boxes. They bring out the limited edition boxes monthly, 6 weekly, usually around monthly. So there are a couple on their website, so you'll find them down below if you want to take a nose. But yeah, so you automatically get 15% off. There's no particular date you have to sign up for this subscription. If you were to sign up now, then you will have from today until the same date next month to choose your products. Now on the 1st of the month, when the new monthly edit drops, you will get to see on their website in the little blog post the full lineup of the products, but you won't know when they will be dropping throughout the month. Like currently at the moment there's a £73 palette. I think it's for eyes and cheeks. That has just landed today, so I'm anticipating that that won't be there for long. Unfortunately I wasn't able to do it. I chose my products last week, but they release their products weekly all throughout the month. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out then please ask away, but let's get on to showing you what I chose. Okay, first up I went for an eyeshadow palette and it's still on there. I think so anyway, hold on. Yeah, just checked and it's still on the website. Now, this is by Barry M. This is Wildlife Eyeshadow Palette and it's in collaboration with People's Trust for Endangered Animals, and it says at least 20% of net profits from the sale of this item will be donated to the charity. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Look, quite a large palette there. Yes, really gorgeous colours. I am really drawn to that one. That is so, so pretty. I haven't tried Barry M makeup for a long time, I don't think. Oh, these are beautiful. Really not overly powdery. They're quite creamy. Oh, wow, look. Really, really pretty shades. Yeah, really, really nice. Those 3 oranges there are absolutely stunning. Yeah, really impressed with that palette. Nice big palette there, so there's that. Next up, I went for an SPF stick. This is a little mini. This is only 13 grams. My Dermatician Reef Safe Helios Sticks, SPF 30, natural sheer, broad spectrum, water resistant for up to 50 minutes. And it says here, for all beauty and skin types, no white residue, saving H2O, 0 water, cruelty-free beauty, no matter what, gluten-free, and reef safe. And they put in a leaflet all about it. It's a little card with extra information. I haven't heard of this brand before. So it's a little handy SPF. I'll try it there. No real scent to it. How tacky is it? You're not going to see anything, it's just clear. But no, it feels really nice. It is quite tacky when you first apply, as with most SPFs. But no, after rubbing it in, it's really, really soft. Oh, I really like that. Yeah, really, really like that. So Happy to have that. Pop that in my handbag. Now the next 4 items are all from the same brand, Pharmaceres, if I'm saying that right. I've had a look online and you can purchase them on Feel Unique, on their own website, and they retail between say £10 to £15. These are all full-size products, and there's some products that are a little bit more expensive, but yeah, I thought I would get them to share with you and to ask you if you've heard of this brand before. I haven't. If you've tried it, what is it like? So first up, I've got a CC cream. It's an SPF 30 Neo Capillaries. Even skin tone cream, correction and protection and strength. It contains thioproline, milk thistle extract, hyaluronic acid and mineral green pigment. And there's 40 mils there. And there it is. Okay, let's try it in my hand. I was expecting it to be slightly green, but it's not. Giving my hand a bit of a glow there. So handy when I've got a fake tan on. I've got a bit of fake tan on at the moment. Has a nice smell, very subtle. So Capillatone CC cream there. Next I got something for my kids. This is T-Zone Oily Skin, unclogs and refines skin pores, removes whiteheads and blackheads. It's a anti-comedone cream for face. It contains azelaic acid, shikimic acid and niacinamide, and again there's 40 mils here. So I won't be testing this out. But it says here, use daily in the morning and at bedtime on the cleansed skin of the face, avoiding the eye area. It can be worn as a makeup base. You may experience temporary visible flaking of the skin, which is a sign that the cream is working though. So there's that. Next I've got a face cream. This is for skins that can be allergic and sensitive to products. This is a hypersensitive hyaluronic acid in water cream for the face. And I've just realised as well, and there's also 40 there. So this is A for allergic and sensitive skins. This is T for T-zone and oily skins. And then we got N for Neo Capillaries, colour correction. So I'm showing you a product from each category that they own. Possibly there could be a lot more though. But yeah, all these products are still available on the Latest Beauty website, plus there's a few more as well. That sounds quite nice. Oh, it feels nice, yeah. Very, very lightweight. Apply daily in the morning and at bedtime to the cleansed skin of the face, neck and décolletage. The water cream can also be used as a makeup base. Then lastly, we've got a cleanser, again from the A range, the allergic and sensitive skins. Calms irritations, it's clinically tested, hypoallergenic, soothing foam, face and eye cleansing. It contains immunoprebiotic, phytohydrator, dipanthenol and betaine. And there's 150 mils here. So a nice big bottle. And I'm assuming it's a foaming one. Juice pressed down there. So yeah, so I thought that would be quite nice for the kids as well as me. But yeah, nice and gentle on the skin. It says gentle foam for daily cleansing of the face and eyes for skin with special sensitivity and proneness to allergies. So there you go. And as they normally do, they put in a few freebies. So I've got a perfume. This is Girl of Now Lovely by Ellie Saab. There's that. Then we've got a Cetaphil Daily Defense Moisturiser for the face. There's SPF 50. And there's 5 grams there. So those are all the products in my June Latest in Beauty box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Wildlife eyeshadow palette from Barry M, and this is the B collection. We've got My Dermatician Helios Sticks SPF. We've got a Pharmaceres CC cream. We've got a Pharmaceres a anti-comedone cream for the face. We've got a Pharmaceres hyaluronic acid in water face cream. And lastly, Pharmaceres a soothing foam, a facial cleanser. I've chosen some really lovely products for me and my children, and I am blown away the fact that they've just released a £73 palette on their website. Plus, there's a few things there that I would have chosen if I was to order now. There's an adhesive eyeliner in brown. So you do like a little eyeliner, put some false eyelashes on and they're stuck. Then you've got a Luna Daily, the Everywhere Wash. Oh, the palette is by Arbonne. Arbonne. And then you've got a mascara from the Arbonne. If I'm saying that right. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this subscription? If you are a monthly subscriber, have you chosen any products similar to me? Or are you waiting to see how the month goes along before you make your choices? Or are you watching this for the first time, wondering, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.